Okay, this is just a quick video on a heater problem for a 2019 PHEV Mitsubishi Outlander. Should look like this, and interior is kind of like that. If that is your car. So what's happening is the heater has stopped working. So what we think is the issue, because all the other areas, everything's clear, is that there's a filter in one of these pipes back here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get to the filter, and I'll show you which pipe it is and how we take it off and how we clear the filter and then how we bleed it. So first things first is you just got to remove the air filter. 10mm ratchet, you got a bolt here, and then there's a bolt over there. So the first thing we'll do is we'll just remove that so we can actually just get access to it. And then you've got to take this off, and then just this cable here you've got to pull off. It's just a little clip that you push in and slide off real easy, and then you unclip it there, and then this whole thing will remove off. I have just done it, and then everything just comes off as one, and then we have that there. Here's the block, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get ourselves to the actual heater pipes, which are these ones here. There's your bleed, here's your heater pipe, and then there's your other heater pipe at the other side of it. So I'm just going to pause this, and then I'll show you which one has the actual filter that we've got to get to. But first of all, I'm going to clamp these pipes off so we don't go losing a whole bunch of water. Back in a sec. Okay, so what I've done, you've got that one, excuse me bud, you got that pipe feeding in, that top one. So what I've done is I've clamped that off, and then you've got down here with the middle pipe, and then you've got the bleed, the middle pipe comes out. I've taken those two clips off. So what I'm going to do now is take that, push that pipe down to get at the filter, which is on the inside of that middle pipe. Okay, just a sec. Alright, so if you can see in there, hard to see, hold on, there's that pipe pulled out, then you've got the other pipe here, and then I've just pulled the filter out of it, and that's the filter, and that's what we're going to clean up and put back in. Okay, we'll clean that up, and then we'll see what happens. Do it for it and put it back together. That's it there. Bit of gunk in it. Okay, so I've cleaned up the filter, and then I've just put it all back together. Just remember, if you got the filter, the pointy end goes into the metal pipe, and then that pipe slides back over it, and just put both your clips back on, and then it should just look like that. And then, after all of that's done, this here, like I said before, is your bleed. And I think, yeah, that's a 12. So, give that a little open there. So that's all good. Just be careful when you're undoing that bolt. This is a fairly new vehicle, but you may have to put like a bigger spanner around there so you don't crack anything in it, where this one sort of come off quite easily. Okay, and that's all you need to do. Cool, and put it all back together, and that's how you clean and clear that filter for your air conditioning, hot air. Thanks for watching.